Hey guys, Michael's Gettin Greasy Garage. So, as you can see, I did some assembly work on the 429 big block Ford. This came to me as a long block. I went ahead and pulled the heads off just because it had sat for 4 years, and thankfully I did because I found a washer in one of the cylinders and some pine needles in another. So, got all that cleared out. Got the front cover on, water pump, that other plate that goes behind the water pump. I don't know why Ford has to have it like that, but whatever. The intake's all buttoned up. Got heads back on, they're torqued. Valves are adjusted. New valve covers are on. Nice new breathers. Everything, intake's on and torqued. Got our small cap HEI conversion. Yeah, you Ford diehards are going to have a cow, but I'm not running your Duraspark garbage. Sorry. I stick with what I know that works. And, yeah, it's coming together. So, the next thing to do is flip it over, put the oil pump on, pickup tube, and the front sump pan. Yeah, also stick on the motor mounts, and I'm going to do a test run of the serpentine belt setup. But it's coming together. It's looking pretty sharp. The owner of the vehicle likes everything black. I think it looks okay. Not my favorite choice, but at least a little bit of red helps. It breaks it up a little bit. Found these valve covers on eBay, and pretty happy with the quality of them for $100. And then I found these breather caps, which actually you can take them apart and clean them for $22 for both sides with grommets. I've paid more than that for grommets before in a pinch. But yeah, it's coming together. I just pittering around on a Sunday doing this. I have other things I should be doing, but you know how that goes. And I like putting engines together. This is kind of my favorite thing, so I decided to jump on this. But also with the rain and humidity here in Western Washington, I wanted to get this engine all sealed up so that nothing rusted. It rust overnight. But yeah, all in all, it's looking pretty good. Nice thing about black is if you get fingerprints on it, can't see them. So, but yeah, I'm happy with it. I gotta still get a key, the Woodruff key or whatever for the crank to put the balancer on. I found the timing tab that goes from that bolt hole up to right there, that little hole. It's a rivet, I guess. I don't know why it didn't come with one. I guess some Fords are supposed to guess where the timing marks are. You know, apparently only Chevy and Mopar guys need timing marks. But anywho, just another piece to order. So I think tomorrow I'll bring the fast throttle body over and the serpentine belt pulley set up, get all that put on just to see how it looks, make sure everything clears and fits, because I want to know now rather than when I'm trying to put it together in the car. And the car will be coming soon. Just kind of holding out for some weather to straighten out. I can finish up the pimp linking out there, get it out of here, and get moved on to bigger and better projects. So, anyway, guys, that's all I really got for now. Hope everybody's relaxing on their Memorial Day weekend, and I hope nobody forgets why we have a Memorial Day weekend and who it's about. So, anyway, that's it for now, and we'll see you in the next one. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel, and we'll see you later.